Hello friends, in this episode I want to show you a product that can upgrade your car's older factory navigation system with modern features like Android Auto, Carplay, AirPlay, AutoLink and even a USB output. This way you'll be able to enjoy your favorite navigation apps, listen to your favorite music or podcasts, and of course watch videos or movies via screen mirroring. So I'll do a quick unboxing, show you what the installation involves, walk you through the interface and how to use it, and at the end I'll show you how to buy this product directly from the manufacturer at a great price with fast delivery, plus I'll give you a 20% discount code. Enough with the intro, let's begin. Inside this box I received from AUTOABC the product called Module Box to review it. This is not a paid promotion, so I'll be as objective as possible. The module I chose is specifically made for the RNS 850 navigation system on Volkswagen Touareg from 2010 to 2018 models. As you'll see later, AUTOABC offers similar modules for many other car models and brands. Naturally, the price, box contents and the installation process will vary depending on your vehicle. Inside the box you'll find the module itself. This small box basically adds a second operating system to your original system, like a clone, and lets you switch between the two systems with the press of a single button. On one side you'll find multiple input and output ports for special cables, and on the opposite side there's an RF port for a small Wi-Fi antenna. A multi-language user manual which is well made and easy to understand. Best part, AUTOABC also offers installation video tutorials for some models. And of course all the necessary cables. At first it may seem like a lot of cables, but you'll see that each one has a unique connector that fits only in its matching port, so you won't have to cut, solder or modify any wires. The factory reverse camera will be automatically detected, so no need to worry about that. It may seem complicated at first, but if you carefully follow the steps in the manual, I'm sure you can install it yourself. Of course, you can also get it done by a friend who's more tech savvy or at a professional car shop. That's it for the unboxing, let's go through the main installation steps. I won't go into too much detail here because I'll add a link in the description to AUTOABC's full video tutorial. As you've seen, the first step is to remove the glove box to access the factory navigation unit. Then you carefully remove the climate control module. Next, you follow the wiring diagram from the manual or the instructions from the video tutorial. For this specific navigation unit, you'll need to activate the auxiliary function, and for that you'll temporarily connect a cable to the car's OBD port. After activation, the cable is no longer needed. Activation is done from the hidden engineering menu of the navigation system. The best place to fix the module in the case of the Touareg is on this metal pillar. In order to reduce vibrations, avoid rattling and allow good airflow, I added some felt padding on the contact points. Then all that's left is to put the glove box back in place. Don't forget to route the USB port inside. That's basically the installation process. Now let's see how it looks, how it works and how to use the new system. To switch between the two systems, just press and hold the media button. Here is the interface of the new system. Then go into Setup, Smartphone, Smartphone list to enable or disable features. Android Auto and CarPlay cannot run at the same time as screen mirroring. Earlier I had AutoLink active, so I turned it off and enabled both CarPlay and Android Auto. This iPhone is already paired with the module, so I just need to turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Let's see together how the module runs CarPlay and the built-in apps. Touareg owners with the RNS 850 system know that the touchscreen is not very responsive, so using the cursor is usually faster.
Do you want to send a message or make a call?
I want to send a message.
Who do you want to message?
Send a message to Andrei.
What would you like to say to Andre?
How are you doing, Andrei?
Your WhatsApp message says, "How are you doing, Andre?" Would you like to change it or send it?
Send it.
It's sent.
To do mirroring from an iPhone, go to Settings, AirPlay, which will automatically disable CarPlay and Android Auto. Then on your phone, go to Screen Mirroring and connect via AirPlay. As you'll see later, all original car functions, including steering wheel controls, still work perfectly. Shifting into reverse automatically activates the reverse camera with no delay. In Android Auto, you'll find the same essential apps. Let's also do mirroring from an Android phone. For that, you'll need to install the AutoLink app. This module also allows wired connection through the USB port. To watch movies on Netflix, first play the movie and then start mirroring. Let me share my honest opinion about the product. The module does exactly what is advertised on their website. My package arrived in just 6 calendar days and customer support answered all my questions clearly. It's definitely a great way to modernize your navigation system without losing the original look and feel, and for me that's very important. To get a 20% discount, all you need to do is click the affiliate link in the description and at checkout enter the discount code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. See you next time.